Hey, it's Eric the Bearded Tool Guy. I'm at the Home Depot. Look what we got in stock. The new rigid brushless 3/8 like I have, but I have the 1/2 inch. So they got that. It looks like they have the right angle drill, multi-metal saw, the 6.5 circular saw. Let's see. The one-hand reciprocating saw, tool only, and a dual port rapid charger. And this is all their deals. So, wow. I had to order mine online way back in, when was that? Months ago. Wow. Wow. 3/8 ratchet, already got that. What impact is this? 1/2 inch mid torque. Okay. The big reciprocating saw. The router. Wow, here's Ryobi. I like Ryobi, but I don't like them that much. They're good. But the rigid catches my eye. I was originally here to order the new 1/2 inch compact right angle impact wrench, and they said no. That's not even available for order right now. So there's the lights. I've already got one of those. Yep. Okay, Eric the Bearded Tool Guy signing off.